In the heart of the wilderness, mastering the art of animal tracking can be a vital survival skill. This fascinating practice involves understanding subtle signs like footprints, scat, and disturbed vegetation to identify and track wildlife. A trained eye can tell not only the species, but even its age, size, and speed just from tracks left behind. By learning to read the land and signs animals leave, one can find sources of food and water, especially following herbivores who lead to water, or avoid potential predators by recognizing warning signs. Animal tracking is more than survival. It's a way to connect with the environment and sharpen one's instincts, making every venture into the wild both safer and more enriching.